In this video, we are starting our ukelikethepros song challenge right now. This is our first song. This one, yeah, we're starting off with a bang. This one is Smooth. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here, and also thanks for subscribing to the channel and turning on that bell notification. I'm really excited about this challenge. This challenge is going to be unlike anything you've seen before. These songs, these are some amazing, amazing songs. And I said, why don't we just get started right away with a really great song by Santana, Rob Thomas. This one is Smooth. It's got a nice little Latin vibe to it. We're gonna do a little tutorial and then a play along, sing along at the end. So this is a challenge, so you can sign up for free for the challenge. You're gonna get all the videos, the backing tracks, the sheet music, the chords, the lyrics, everything. Click that link below, ukelikethepros.com/challenge. And then if you want, once you do that, you're gonna option for a VIP. Totally take it, because the VIP is going to give you lifetime access to the entire challenge. Plus, when we do the live calls, we're going to do a special Q&A afterwards only for the VIPs. All right, so let me go ahead, let me play the first part, and we're going to dive right into this tutorial. All right, so this rhythm you're going to hear in the intro and the verse. You're going to hear it through the whole song. And even this rhythm I'm playing is very similar to all the parts to this song. All right, so anyway, grab your A minor. So the first part is just that, A minor and the E7 chord. I'm gonna do this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And on the and of 4 there, you notice I'm hitting that E7 chord. So follow on the screen because we have the chords, we have the rhythms, and we have that cursor moving along. I'm gonna be doing muting both with my left hand here and also some palm muting for it. So again, it's gonna go down, down, mute, up, and then you're gonna tie up, down, down, up. So that's the 2-bar pattern. You really want to spend some time and get this down. It's really, really important to get this rhythm down, okay? Let's do it a couple times. 3, 4, and 1. Again. Now when you speed it up, yeah, it sounds like this. Really, really cool rhythm, really fun. If you like add an extra mute somewhere or you don't mute, don't worry, it's not that important. It's just really about capturing the vibe of this song. All right, so this is like, well, we have backing tracks in the start. It's gonna have some drums, and then we're gonna start the intro. So it's a hot one, like 7 inches from the midday sun. Here we go. I hear the whisper in your word. All right, so that's the part I want to go over right now, okay? So it's going to be D minor. The rhythm's almost the same, okay? So it's going to go D minor, down, 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 up on the F chord, just releasing one finger, mute, down, and then up on the, this is a B minor 7 flat 5 chord. It's actually just a D minor with the pinky on the first string here. That's all it is, upstroke, up, down, up, and then to an E7 chord, up, down, up. All right, so just those 2 bars. We do it so 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So notice the rhythm's almost the same as that A minor, E7. And then after that, you're just gonna go to that A minor, E7. That's the verse, okay? Then you're gonna repeat the whole thing again. And then we're gonna get to the next part, which is the pre-chorus. So, and if you say this life ain't good enough, I would give my word to lift you up. I would change my life to better meet your mood. 'Cause you're so cool. All right, so that's the next part now, okay? You notice the pre-chorus here, A minor, the E7 again. But then when you get to this D minor part, it's slightly different, okay? So it's gonna start on the D minor again, down, down to the F, B minor 7, flat 5, now to the G7, that's the new chord, the G7 there. And then all you're gonna do is now go to E7 for a whole measure, 3 can just do like eighth notes the whole time. And then, check this out. E7 sharp 9, very cool. All you have to do is add the pinky to the second string, third fret. And that's it, okay? And that adds a little tension. That's gonna lead you right into the chorus, okay? So let's do those parts again. 3, 4, and 1. And now E7, 3, and 1, and 3, and 4. And, all right, and then we're gonna go right to the chorus part. Now, the chorus part has one little new part at the end, okay? So check this out. And it's just like the ocean under the moon. It's the same as the emotion that I get from you, yeah. You got the kind of loving that could be so smooth, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real, oh, let's forget about it. All right, so that last little part here, give me your heart, make it real, oh, let's forget about it. That part's just gonna go D minor, B1, 1, 2, 3, and upstroke on the and a 3, and then and a 4, you're gonna hit the E minor chord, and then in a measure it's just kind of muting, and then we're just gonna end our track here right on the A minor chord. Okay, so if we do that, nice and slow, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's it. Okay, that's it. We're gonna add now the backing track, and we're gonna do a whole sing-along, play-along. This thing is gonna take a little bit of practice, so don't worry, but you gotta sign up. Make sure you sign up. That way you're gonna get all this stuff. You can practice it with the backing tracks and the sheet music and all this kind of stuff, and this video as well. So sign up, become a VIP. That's gonna really help you along. So, all right, are you ready? Let's go ahead and do it. 1, 2, here's the drums. 3, and woo! It's a high one, like 7 inches from the midday sun. I hear your whispers and your words melt everyone, but you stay so cool. My Monaquita, my Spanish Harlem Mona Lisa. Oh, you're my reason for reason, the step in my this life ain't good enough, I would give my world to lift you up. I would change my life to better suit your mood, because you're so smooth. And it's just like the ocean under the moon, or it's the same kind of motion that I get from you, yeah. You got the kind of loving that could be so smooth, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real, oh, let's forget about it. Woo! All right, so there's smooth. Now this thing, I know it's gonna be a little bit of work, so do what you can. Get the chords and the rhythm down first. Then if you can add the singing, then if you can add the backing track. This took me a while as well. This is a hard song. The rhythms are hard, the chords are hard, but it's such an amazing song. You're gonna feel great when you get it down. So don't forget, you gotta sign up for the song challenge, become a VIP, and good luck to you, and we'll see you in the next one.